This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Hanover County. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath custom cape. This cape is located here on a nice lot with plenty of magnolias. We're sitting on about 3/4 of an acre. We have our driveway coming up the side. This home does feature a 2-car attached garage and just an amazing property. If you are into bathrooms, you're going to love this one. I have a treat in store for you. This home is newly renovated and it shows amazingly. Here in the back we have like a park-like setting. We've got good looking neighboring property there with a pool and whirlpool. You definitely want to get to know the neighbors and be really nice to them. You can see here in the back we've got some beautiful mature trees, just a nice peaceful setting. This home does have a enclosed sunroom. We're going to see that here momentarily, so you can be inside but still enjoy the beautiful backyard. Today is a gorgeous day out. I am just so happy to be able to do what I love. Love bringing these homes to you, and we've really brought some nice diversity to you here recently. When I saw this one today on my computer, I said, wow, this is truly a remarkable property, and I think you will probably agree at the end of this video. Notice the door. We see this once again. This is a very hot color. I call it a sea mist green, just very pale, calming color. It is definitely trending right now. One of the main things I love about this home, built in 1986, is we have extensive wood flooring here on this first level. Our coat closet is convenient right here to the front door. We have a nice open floor plan. Back in '86, this was not that common to do an open floor plan, so I really like that fact. Here to the right, beautiful fireplace, and look at the hearth there. Look at that brick, comes out a good 4 feet or so. If somebody wanted to do a wood stove there, they've got some really neat contemporary looking ones that would facilitate a wood stove on that floor. To the left, of course, is our formal dining room. I love the detail on that accent wall there to the back, and there is plenty of space here. Those walkways, of course, go into the kitchen. But first, we're going to start here on our guest room wing, and I want to show you what we have there. A heat pump in that unit. I believe we got 2 zones here in this home. All right, here to the left is going to be our first secondary bedroom, and both of those are closets. I'm not going to go in and open up. We've got a really nice light colored carpet, so I'm not going to walk on those. I'm actually going to kick my shoes off. I'm going to take you into this one though. Another good size bedroom here on the first floor, and once again we've got those double closets. Plenty of closet space throughout this entire home. That's another thing I really like about it. These are solid wood doors, none of that cheap hollow stuff that you see often in new construction. All right, we're gonna now take you over to our sunroom, and a couple things here. We've got 2 double doors going to this space. This is really neat because we have a baseboard heater here. Now this is crucial. Whenever I go into a space like this is something that I look for, because if you do not have a heat source in a room like this, then an appraiser will not count it as finished square footage. This space, we're looking at probably about 250 or so square feet. So that directly will impact your valuation when an appraiser is looking at value. So you want to make sure you have a heat source. A cooling source is not required, but a heat source is required in order for it to be considered finished square footage. And this home is coming in about $130 per square foot, which is very attractive. We've got homes on the market, particularly in some parts of the city, like the Fan, where are going to be over $200 a square foot. So big value there in the price per square foot. Okay, look at this amazing kitchen. We've got quartz countertop, space there for probably 3 bar stools, plenty of cabinet space here on this wall. Our stainless Samsung refrigerator, of course, will convey. Look at the beautiful coordination of colors here. Our owner is actually an architect and a designer and a stager, and she really took time to make sure that the styling, the finishes in this home work nicely. So I really love what she did. We've got ceramic tile here on the floor in this beautiful kitchen. Here to my right is going to be our informal dining space. And we actually have a bench, which is neat. This is a dual purpose bench. If you notice there, we have a register. And so what they did was they used this as a duct underneath. They ran a trunk line underneath and it doubles as a bench. So very smart use of space. All right, we're going to take you straight. Here to the right is going to be a pantry and our door coming off. I'm just going to peek out here. We obviously already went to the rear and you can see here our backyard. I mentioned earlier that we have the dual zone, and those are both of our outdoor units. Okay, we have more here on this level. Here to my right, this is going to be what we call the drop zone or the mudroom. This is actually much bigger than a typical mudroom. We've got the built-ins there, the bench. We can stop and drop those dirty boots. Plenty of space here, and of course, our washer dryer. And of course, all of these do convey. I know you guys love to have appliances that all convey. Of course, we are now in our 2-car attached garage. This home has huge capacity when it comes to water, and I'm going to show you why we need all that hot water capacity when we go upstairs. All right, this is a little bonus space. This space could be used a number of different ways. The stager actually envisioned it as either a home gym, craft room, rec room, or beloved man cave. On this channel, it's going to be a woman cave. But we've got great space here. You can pretty much do what you want. Some people just simply use this for storage to keep items out of this 2-car garage. You could actually have more space for your vehicles if that's your intent. All right, let's go back through. I'm going to take you up now to our gorgeous second level. But one thing that I also love about this home is this 2-story family room. This is really neat because you've got all this volume. You've got those nice tall ceilings, a couple of ceiling fans to move some air around. Here we're going to go up our wood stairs, and we have a loft area up here. So this is great if you wanted to have a place where you could relax, didn't have to necessarily go downstairs, or if you had multiple occupants and they wanted their own space, then of course this would work. All right, this is going to be our upstairs hall bath. Beautiful tile work here in this stand-up shower. Notice they brought wood floors all the way in here to this hall bath, not something that we commonly see in hall bathrooms. And on my right, we are going to have what they have staged as an office. This, of course, could go as a bedroom. This would be actually a large bedroom. We've got some built-in shelving there, dual closets, nice big window. We have a tall knee wall in here. So this knee wall is actually probably 6 foot or taller, so you don't have to worry about ceilings feeling like they're caving in on you. Once again, wood floors in this second floor room as well. I really love what they have done with this home, but now you are really in the absolute best part. Through these doors is our primary suite. And look at this. This is an amazing amount of space. I've sold houses that were smaller than this. This is great. Now, our sliding door, our sliding barn house door, this space can go a couple of ways. If you are really in need of a whole lot of closet space, this could be configured as a big walk-in closet. I know some of you have shoes that rival Imelda Marcos, but if you needed it as a closet space, you could do so. If you wanted to repurpose it as something else, I know some people would probably put a desk and a computer in here. you just have many different options. Some people would use it as a little meditation closet or a place to do yoga. The choice is yours. All right, through these doors is our primary bath, and boy, is it special. All right, here to the left is going to be our water closet. We've got closets everywhere in this beautiful home. This is actually a full-blown closet here, and I'm gonna spin around here so you can see. One of the other conveniences is, have you ever been on the phone and your battery's running low? Well, there you go, right there. There's your answer. You've got an outlet right there. Plug her in, and you can continue to chat as you, well, never mind. Okay, here we go to the right. This is going to be closet number 3. You've got some built-ins here. Look at this. You've got, I guess you could put your ties here on these dowels. This is already set up, so there's nothing you would have to do. And then another space there for clothes. This is just already in place. Plenty of storage here. This is ceramic tile on the floor, and we have a bar there and then another bar up high. So really good space. I didn't even mention, we just bypassed the sinks, and look at that. Those are gorgeous. We've got good storage underneath. Beautiful light there. Once again, we have that same color scheme that we have downstairs. So that scheme is not only with fixtures, but notice it's on the wall as well. So she's colored, she has brought that theme all the way through. I believe this is closet number 4. So we are on closet 4. Another bar would go down there. And here we go, closet number 5. Okay, I know you have never seen a primary suite. And that's a deep one too. You've never seen a primary suite with 5 closets. This is something else. All right, we are now going to go over to the right side, and I want to show you one of my favorite spaces. You guys know what that is. Here we go. All right, so we have a head there. Notice the pebble inspired tile work directly across. We have another shower head, and then we have the skylight. So you know you're in a special place when you can stand in the shower and have natural light cascading down upon you. That is really nice. Now, if you get a little tired, a little winded, we of course have space here where you can actually sit down. And our door leading back out. And directly ahead is a personal fireplace. So you can enjoy that nice electronic fireplace right here in the comfort of your primary bath suite. Okay, so I'm not even gonna call this a tub. This is a bathing oasis right here, ladies and gentlemen. She's already got it staged, so you get an idea. You've got the tray going across, the book, the loofah sponge. I could see some of you enjoying perhaps a Chardonnay with some crackers, some cheese, a nice fresh succulent grapes, and just really enjoying this time here. I know some of you would probably opt for pork rinds and red Kool-Aid, but that's a personal choice, and whatever works for you and your self-care is most important. Okay, we have a lounger over there in the corner. I imagine some people would leave it there. Some people might go for a tanning bed. Some of you, of course, are not going to go for a tanning bed. I know that for a fact. But the option is yours, and you've got so many different options here in this beautiful home. I'm thrilled to death to bring it to you. You can probably hear the excitement in my voice. I get excited when I come through amazing properties, and this one is no different. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.